Measurement. Insert the tube into the sample bottle and press the Run button. After the measurement is complete, remove the tube from the sample bottle. Then place it in the tube holder and press the OK button to continue. Measure similar samples without cleaning. The new sample will displace the previous one. Cleaning. To check the air density or when switching between samples of different polarity, the instrument should be cleaned. Insert the tube into the rinse bottle and press the Rinse button. Remove the tube from the rinse bottle and place it in the tube holder. Press the OK button to continue. The density meter and inlet tube are now automatically dried using the internal pump. Once the rinsing is complete, the density can be compared to the air value.